Are you tired of greasy, unhealthy fried foods? Looking for a way to enjoy crispy, delicious meals without the guilt? Today, we're counting down the top 5 air fryers that will revolutionize your cooking. These incredible kitchen appliances deliver restaurant-quality results. Number 5. Starting at number 5, we have the silicone air fryer basket, changing the game for healthy cooking. This innovative non-stick round basket is perfect for anyone wanting delicious fried foods without extra calories and mess. Made from high-quality, food-grade silicone, this basket is incredibly durable and completely safe for your family. What makes it special is its versatility. It works with virtually any air fryer model, making it a fantastic upgrade. The non-stick surface means your food slides right out without hassle, and cleanup is an absolute breeze. You can even toss it in the dishwasher. Whether preparing crispy chicken wings, golden fries, or roasted vegetables, this basket ensures even cooking every time. It's also perfect for holiday meals like Christmas, Thanksgiving, and Valentine's Day. For those looking to grab this amazing accessory, you'll find the link in the description and comments below. Number 4. Coming in at number 4 is this powerful 8.5-liter air fryer, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design. With its sleek digital touchscreen display, you get 8 preset cooking functions that take all the guesswork out of meal preparation. Whether air frying, baking, roasting, or dehydrating, this versatile appliance does it all with professional results. The 1500-watt power ensures your food cooks quickly and evenly, while the stainless steel basket is built to last for years. What really sets this model apart is its generous 8.5-liter capacity. That's enough to feed a family of 4 to 6 people in one go. The intuitive touchscreen makes operation incredibly simple. Even if you're new to air frying, you can adjust temperature and time with just a tap. The non-stick coating means less oil, healthier meals, and easy cleanup every time. Perfect for busy families wanting delicious, guilt-free meals. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 3. At number 3, we've got an absolute game changer. This 6-quart air fryer comes with a viewing window and interior light, so you can watch your food cook to perfection. No more opening the basket and letting heat escape. The large viewing window lets you check progress without interrupting the cooking process. This model features 8 preset functions and 6-in-1 capability. Air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat, and keep warm. The stainless steel construction is incredibly durable and easy to clean. The included stainless steel rack and basket give you more cooking options, perfect for preparing multiple dishes at once. One of the best features is the interior light that illuminates your food so you see exactly when it reaches perfect golden brown color. The digital controls are straightforward and responsive, making it easy to adjust settings on the fly. Ideal for health-conscious families who don't want to compromise, the link is waiting in the description and comments. Number 2, the runner-up spot goes to this incredible 8.5-quart smart air fryer designed for larger families and entertaining. With massive capacity serving 5 to 6 people, you'll never cook in batches again. This powerhouse features 8 preset functions with smart technology that automatically adjusts time and temperature for perfect results. The large capacity means you can cook an entire chicken, a pound of wings, or multiple portions at once. The non-stick coating ensures food never sticks, making cleanup incredibly easy. Just wipe it down or pop the basket in the dishwasher. What makes this truly smart is its intuitive control system that learns your preferences and suggests optimal settings. The digital display is large and easy to read. Safety features include automatic shutoff and cool touch exterior. Whether meal prepping, hosting a party, or feeding a hungry family, this handles it all effortlessly. Find the link in the description and comments below. Number 1. And now, our number 1 pick. This 6.5-quart premium smart air fryer is the ultimate kitchen companion delivering restaurant-quality results. What sets this apart is its advanced smart technology with color-coded icons making operation incredibly intuitive. Even kids can use it safely. The large viewing window lets you monitor progress, while the built-in interior light ensures you never overcook. With 8 preset functions and comprehensive recipe manual, you'll cook like a professional from day one. The 6.5-quart capacity is perfect for families of 4 to 5. Dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze. The sleek design with premium finish looks stunning on any countertop. Advanced safety features include automatic shutoff, overheat protection, and cool touch handle. The non-stick basket ensures healthy cooking with minimal oil while maintaining crispy, delicious texture. This truly does it all. Grab the link from the description and comments to order yours today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.